need to field dress the deer right away, or the meat goes bad. First, you cut up the limbs. Hide from this. Part of taking a life is dealing with the aftermath. This is not one of your video games. This is nasty. This is dirty. It's real. You need to see that. You think you can handle this? You can't. You want to hunt? You're not always gonna beat the hunter. Sometimes you're gonna beat the hunted. That means seeing it through to the end.
Thank you very much. You've been a great audience.
That anything could happen in the hunt. You need to be ready for it.
Who sent you?
What do you think?
Look at me! Was it Cortez? You could have shot me any time.